Is your iPhone acting like it's lost without a connection? Let's dive into simple fixes to get your SIM card working again. First, let's try the classic restart. Press and hold either volume button and the side button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider. Wait 30 seconds for your device to turn off, then press and hold the side button again to turn it back on. This often resolves minor software glitches. Next, let's check for physical damage. Eject the SIM card tray using a SIM eject tool or a straightened paperclip. Carefully examine the SIM card and the tray for any signs of damage or debris. Clean the SIM card gently with a soft, dry cloth before reinserting it properly. Now, ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS. Go to Settings, then tap General, and then Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Outdated software can sometimes cause compatibility issues with your SIM card. If the issue persists, it might be a problem with your carrier. Contact their customer support to verify that your account is active and that there are no issues on there, and they can also help you troubleshoot network-related problems. Hopefully, one of these steps has restored your iPhone's connection. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more iPhone tips.